William Coleman and his Cowhorn potatoes. You see how big those were? Well, I've got something better. I've got something called Mulberry Beauty. It's a pink potato. And when you cut it through, it's not sort of yellow or white inside. It's pink. So there. I'm going to show you it now. I'm going to do the first potato reveal, even though they're not ready.
So, this is my potato patch, and I have one row of a Mulberry Beauty, which is a pink potato. And they don't grow tremendously big, they're small in size. Oh, look! Putting in a spade. That's a mistake. Usually you cut potatoes in half when you do that. But let's have a look. Oh, there's a little one there. Just a small one the size of an egg. Pink. Let's shake it and see what we've got in here. If there's any more. Yeah, it looks like there's a few just hanging on there. Look at them. This should be going on for about a month more before you can harvest them. But I thought, since everybody's doing potato reviews now, then I've got to get in on the act. And since this is a speciality potato, then I thought that now is a good time to just have a look at it to see how it's getting on and how many potatoes we're going to get from it. They look quite clean. Some of them are rather sort of small, and the seed potato is still in there. Let's do a Brendan sift to see if we can find anything else. I don't think there is anything. There's one! Ah, you got it. Good. That's it, but I don't think there's anything else. Doing the old sift to look and see if there's anything. But nothing in there. So that's it. The Mulberry Beauty. Look at them there. I don't know, there must be 12 of them all together, I think. So that's it. Mulberry Beauty! Yeah.
So that's the pink mulberry. And it's enough for one meal from one show. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to cut one open so you can see that it's pink all the way through. Woo! So I'm going to take a little one because I'm not going to waste a big one on this. Now they say they're pink all the way through. So here's the old mess, shining in the sun. I'm going to cut it open and see if it is or if it's white like those Rosamunda or Bella Rossa. Oh, very firm. Look at that. Pink! A pink potato! What are the gay community going to say about that? I wonder.